I'm sure that you are super frustrated with how long immigration is taking on your case, and I completely understand. It can be very frustrating, especially when immigration is just so far behind and taking its sweet time in addressing your case. However, there is something that you can do to help move along your case. And specifically, that is contacting your congressional representative. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact your congressional representative because they have a lot of power in moving your case forward. Even if immigration is taking a long time or not responding to us or even you, then your congressional representative can usually get answers and moving your case along faster. So first, you're going to go to your browser. So Google, and you're going to search up your Find My Representative. So when you click Find Your Representative, the very first thing that pops up is house.gov. Okay, so you can also go to congress.gov. Either one doesn't really matter. We're going to start with congress.gov because you have three people that you can reach out to. One of them is your local representative who sits in the House of Representatives, and two others are your senators. So every state has senators. So we're going to go ahead and use our office address just because this is where we're at. And there's our address. You run a search for it, and you can see the three representatives. The first one is a senator. We have Senator LaFonza Butler. Then we have Senator Alex Padilla, and then we have Representative Michelle Steele. So let's say I want to go to one of my senators. Let's just go to Alex Padilla. So we click on his picture, and there's his website. So on his website, it tells you how to contact him. It's pretty easy. You just go to contact or you go to services. So if all you want to do is just talk to them, you can obviously talk to them. However, usually for us, what we're looking for is agency assistance. So you're going to go to agency assistance because USCIS is an agency and you are asking for assistance with this agency. Now, he's going to want the privacy form for both USCIS as well as for his office. And then you're just going to go to the form. And honestly, it's pretty easy. You just fill out all your information and then submit, and then you want to find out what is the issue. What do you need help with? For the most part, we're dealing with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, so this is who you are going to be reaching out to. And then, of course, they're going to want to know who is the applicant, who is the beneficiary, as well as any kind of receipts. So you should have copies of any of your receipts available because they will want these. If you have those receipts available, then it's going to help them because it's going to tell them what it is that you're looking for. Now, let's say we want to go to Representative Michelle Steele. So she sits in the House of Representatives. We go to her website right here. And then once you're in her website, once again, you can click on services. And in services, you're going to see all the different options that are available. I'm going to close that out because it is in my way. Again, you're going to ask for help with a federal agency because immigration is a federal agency. She's going to need, again, all the privacy release forms. Once you have them completed out, then she wants them by mail or she wants them by email. So unlike Alex Padilla, where you can do it all directly in his system, she wants it physically mailed or emailed to the system, which means you're going to have to download and then you are going to have to then send it in. Every senator, every representative works a little bit different. So you just kind of have to go through each of their pages to see how do they want it done. But you just fill it in, not too hard. If we take a look at LaFonza Butler, I think if I'm not mistaken, hers is very similar to Senator Alex Padilla's. So if we take a look, again, you go to services. I already get enough emails. We want assistance with the federal agency. redirects you. Again, here's the forms that she's going to need. She wants it signed physically. And then once you have that, then she wants it emailed or mailed. So she's a little bit more similar to our representative, who is Michelle Steele. But this is basically how you contact your Congress member. Once they get a hold of all those documents, then they are going to be reaching out to you for any additional questions. And then they start the clock ticking with immigration. They will respond to you because as you are their constituent, they work for you. Your representatives work for you. Make sure that you reach out to them. They are a great resource. But remember, if your case has not been filed yet, you cannot reach out to them. You have to wait until you have receipts before you can reach out to your Congress members. I hope this helps, and don't forget to follow us.